ZENA stock analysis and ZENA stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. It's the only guy in the space with a 46,000 video track record and proof of everything. I've seen what's working for me and what's not. ZenaTech sitting at 490.92. Bro, this I've been waiting for like a second shift for a very freaking long time. We got a fake out without a proper second break, which is this week, and I've been still waiting. You know, that's the only thing. That's basically how everything is looking like. If I don't see that second full candle close above 519, no way that I will look to double down buy. And yeah, that's ultimately where we are. I'll just get rid of this, just like that. Key part is that I got like 3 W's here, 3 wins, and then 2 1 break even and a loss. And the only thing that's going to matter to me, that's going to kind of tickle my interest, is going to be if I see a full candle close above 519. If that's not the case, bro, then I'm not buying. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description. We'll see you in the next one.